Hey guys, so this is the settings that I found that if you want to record in a high frame rate for your R8, so you can record movies at high frame rate or 180, 150, 120, 100 FPS. This is ideal for recording movies that will be played back in a slow motion. So we want to go really high. So someone's not recording high frames rate movies. This is important. You can have the FHD here. And each second during the movie recording time can display the bands as follows. So set to 100, 150 FPS for 6 seconds. They are played as follows. So for 180, slow motion playback at 1 to 6 speed. So this is something that I just want to share with you. And here you can have the FHD here. So yeah, you just want to set it up to 180 and have a great day and goodbye.